Best Large Sports Sedans for 2024 Audi RS e-tron GT. In the realm of large sports sedans, the 2024 Audi RS e-tron GT is set to redefine the segment with its groundbreaking combination of electrifying performance, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology. As the latest addition to Audi's renowned RS lineup and a testament to the brand's commitment to sustainability and innovation, the RS e-tron GT promises to deliver a driving experience unlike any other. At the heart of the 2024 Audi RS e-tron GT lies a dual-electric motor setup, producing a jaw-dropping total output of 590 horsepower and 612 lb-ft of instant torque. This electrified powerhouse, coupled with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, propels the RS e-tron GT from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds, delivering breathtaking acceleration and blistering performance that rivals its combustion-powered counterparts. With its low center of gravity and precise power delivery, the RS e-tron GT offers unparalleled agility and dynamic handling, making every twist and turn on the road an exhilarating experience. The RS e-tron GT's dynamic capabilities are further enhanced by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. Audi's adaptive air suspension with electronic damper control and all-wheel steering ensures exceptional ride comfort and precise handling, allowing the RS e-tron GT to effortlessly glide over any road surface with confidence and stability. Additionally, the RS e-tron GT features performance-oriented regenerative braking, which not only enhances efficiency but also provides a responsive and engaging driving experience. Visually, the 2024 Audi RS e-tron GT is a masterpiece of design, featuring sleek lines, aerodynamic sculpting, and distinctive RS accents that underscore its sporty and futuristic character. Its exterior boasts a sculpted hood, a low-slung roofline, and an imposing single-frame grille, all of which contribute to its commanding presence on the road. Riding on 20-inch alloy wheels and equipped with matrix LED headlights, the RS e-tron GT exudes sophistication and performance from every angle. Inside the cabin, the RS e-tron GT offers a luxurious and tech-forward environment, with premium materials and cutting-edge amenities. The interior boasts sports seats with leather upholstery, a flat-bottomed steering wheel with paddle shifters, and customizable ambient lighting. The RS e-tron GT is equipped with Audi's latest MMI infotainment system, which includes a high-definition touchscreen display, navigation, smartphone integration, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, ensuring connectivity and entertainment on the go. Safety features are also a top priority in the 2024 Audi RS e-tron GT. The sedan comes equipped with Audi's suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Additionally, the RS e-tron GT offers available features such as night vision assistant and intersection assist for added peace of mind. In conclusion, the 2024 Audi RS e-tron GT sets a new benchmark for large sports sedans, combining electrifying performance, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology in a package that pushes the boundaries of automotive innovation. With its powerful electric drivetrain, dynamic handling, and upscale amenities, the RS e-tron GT offers a driving experience that is as thrilling as it is sustainable, making it a standout choice for enthusiasts and eco-conscious drivers alike.